Hi, welcome to Play at Home, and today we're going to make a blind drawing, and I'm not going to explain what it is, I'm just going to show you. So what I've got is, you can draw anything as a blind drawing, but why not yourself, because it's really easy. What you need is just a pen or a pencil, and if you're drawing yourself, then just a mirror in front of you, and then either a pad of paper, or like I've got here, just a sheet of paper just taped to a hardback book. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try my best anyway, just to draw myself and only look at the mirror and not look at all at the page that I'm drawing on. So let's make a start. So get the hair in at the top. What you'll find is really interesting by doing this is that you'll make drawings where the line work looks really quite confident. I think that is partly down to being so concentrated on what you're drawing that you're not really worried about what's on the paper. You're just so focused on this and looking. And that can be quite liberating really, because then you can just focus on, like, have I got all the features? Have I drawn 3 ears on one side of the head? A few more lines. Yeah, I think this is a really nice way to draw, to give you, to kind of capture the essence of something. Not necessarily that accurately, but you get a real flavour of the thing you're drawing. And that's why I like doing this anyway. Okay, I'm going to stop there. So a lot of my face is in the middle right here, but you can see there's details of the hoodie and the zip there, and the edge of the hood, and hairline is in there, and the eyes. So anyway, there's definitely something of me in that drawing. I think what's lovely about this is the result of this is always a surprise, and it's often quite funny. So we ran this as a session with my son and his friends over this lunchtime, and it was one of the best sessions we've run together in terms of just people laughing, because yeah, no one got to see their drawings until the end, and then we showed them to everyone, and yeah, we were just falling about. I'm just going to show you some of the drawings that we made earlier on. So my boy drew this, and this was of himself. I think what's lovely here is that you're getting his hairline in here, and his eyes and mouth. But then there's also this other portrait here with his chin coming in, and then a bit of a nose and mouth here as well. So you've kind of got 2 portraits overlaid at one time, which is something that you see a lot in Cubist paintings, and in this kind of compression of different moments in one physical space, which I think is really interesting. This is one of his drawings of me, and yeah, you can see my hairline here. And then my features are sort of distributed all over, but this is definitely my hairline. There's another one of me here, and I think he's really got my nose, and then the mouth down here, and I must have been smiling because there's a few teeth down there as well. And then my hairline is down here. But so the physical accuracy is all over the map, but there's a real essence of me in that drawing, which I really love. I also love this other drawing that he did of himself, which almost looks like him playing a drum kit, I think, which is very appropriate for him as he does do that. Yes, but I think what I'd say is try this out for yourself, and I'd love it if you could share examples. So I'm Griffics, which is GRIFFICS. On Instagram, so tag me in on your posts there, and I'd love to share them. One other extra wrinkle is We found today, especially with all the kids, it's actually really, really tempting to look down at your drawing. And one thing you can do to prevent that is just use a tea towel like this and just lay it over the drawing, and then put your hand inside, and then you can make the drawing without, then there's just no possibility of you actually checking out the drawing before you're finished. So that makes it a lot simpler. Cool. So I'd love to see what you've done. So yeah, do share those with me. And if you'd like and subscribe this video, that would be awesome, because then more people will get to see it. Thanks.